You were up a good amount though.
Step up in the building and I came to get it started. Here we go, 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 go.
No, you have a boner.
That's my ticket.
Oh, okay, man.
Take the score, ain't nobody.
That's insane, bro.
Get it, man, we really on the road. Yeah, and if they wanna bring this
About to get kicked out, Drew, too.
low, keep the word, I'ma go, go, go.
We're here, baby. Complex Con.
Go.
We're here live right before Vegas. Dude, it's boring. Can we just cancel?
It's a good day to wear the all whites.
The forces? Dude, y'all are gonna beat those up. You almost slipped. You almost died before we hit Vegas. Have you took a dump in the plane?
Oh yeah.
You have?
Yeah, like once.
I'm scared to do that, dog.
I feel like I can't because of the altitude sometimes. I don't know. I think
What? It comes back up?
I don't know. The pressure. I don't know. It just wants to stay in there.
This is it. We're about to board. What's Drew? We'll see y'all in Vegas, Complex Con. Here we come. I hope you make it, Drew. If not, we gotta go to Complex Con without you.
He's not gonna make it. I bet you.
I bet you he will come.
I bet you $10 he won't make it.
Put it in the bag by the restroom.
In the restroom? Still doesn't believe that you're gonna make it, Drew, but... Wait, no, yeah, you're probably not gonna make it, Drew. They're closing the door right now. Bro, you made it. Alright, thank you.
Sin City.
We came to get wild and get buck.
I think we should go put everything on black and try to see if we can take it home. Let's see. First day of the trip, look at it.
Where do you put the cash?
I don't know, just put it in. Come on, dog. Brunch is on you. You already doubled up. Cash out, cash out. He said, fuck it, we're up. I'm fuck around after this. We'll probably get Versace suits for the whole crew. She does. Make us proud, brother. Do we hit?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I don't know, dog. It's all gone. You got out the table like,
Right back in the greens.
What was the game plan?
See, we didn't play the field this time. We played like on the numbers.
Yeah.
And it was working for us. Yeah.
Come on, I know you have a boner. He's a fun.
That's just my ticket.
Oh, okay, bet.
Is everybody ready? 25 seconds.
Air Forces are the new dad shoe. My brother saw that comment earlier, and to be honest, it fucked us all up. Now we're all self-conscious walking around with Air Forces.
Hey, don't look at my shoes.
You got a lot of what?
Free weed. A lot of free weed.
Yeah.
Planet 13.
Planet 63 tonight. Aquí trajimos la ropa de Faded Culture. Le vamos a regalar a Julián aquí una camisa. Por el apoyo, Julián. Ahí está, mucho gusto. Shout out to all the Faded Culture family. It's crazy.
Yeah, so that's pretty dope. We just pulled up to Complex Con 2025, and as soon as we entered, somebody recognized the brand. He said that we helped them start barbering, so it was dope. See that here, we didn't even expect to meet somebody that knows us, but we hooked them up with a shirt. We're gonna send them some shit via email to Mexico, so that was dope.
You got money on the floor? Yo, that's hard. Throw it on this.
Wait for them to pop out.
Velvet rainfall, the dollars descend.
Alright, I'm about to hop in this impossible. This is crazy. Yo. We're live from Complex Con.
Chrome game, sun kissing the hood. Street whisper, stories understood.
We're here, baby. Complex Con.
Yo, the amount of creativity in all these booths is insane. This is like sparking up like a whole nother, like, I'm motivated now.
Nah, for real. Bro, we only saw like this much.
We've only seen like 3 booths.
We should have been here.
We need a booth here next time.
It's never too late. Let's take over somebody's booth.
Faded Culture's gonna have 63 lowriders in their booth.
63 lowriders.
And I'm like,
Here you go, brother. Here you go, brother. We don't have a medium shirt, but I'll give you a hat, bro. Appreciate you, bro. What was your name?
Andrew.
Andrew, bro. Thank you so much, bro. So again, we just ran into somebody else who really liked our designs. Of course, we're rocking them out here in Complex Con, and we just gifted them some merch. So appreciate to everybody again. It's cool. It's cool to see that people coming up to us, fucking with the merch. Thank you, man. This is sick, bro. Yo, homie's just doing embroidery straight out of the booth. This is crazy. Mucho gusto. Ahí estamos, bro.
Para que se jalen con mis amigos de Faded Culture. Un honor ver paisanos que estamos echándole con todo, rompiendo la machín. Vamos a darle en su madre a todo el mercado norteamericano para que se jalen con ellos.
Ya está, muchas gracias, bro. Igualmente, bro.
Que Dios te bendiga, bro.
Muchas gracias.
Swagger ain't a trend, it's eternity. From the block to the globe, it's all
They got whole ass goats in this booth. This is rowdy.
mosaic of the world, every shard in my crown. I wear my scars proud, not a king without the frown. Faders in my kicks, brush strokes in the songs. Every step in art with Picasso in my strolls. Language of my slang, a symphony of codes. Culture in my veins, that's the path I chose. Drums in
My boy tapped in. He's taking gigs for all quinceañeras now. He'll pull up, he'll dance. So, tell him so.
Watch me hit my shit. Watch me hit my shit.
Oh. He shook one Jabberwocky hand. Now he know how to act.
Now I'm in it.
Now we're in it. About to get kicked out, Drew, too. If we get kicked out of Complex Con, this is why. Look at these boys. Just hotboxing Complex Con like it's nothing.
Hey, literally everyone's smoking in this bitch.
Complex Con day one is a wrap.
Quavo.
Yeah.
Like, you'll run into anybody over here.
I mean, who didn't we see? Jim Jones, Joe Rogan, Joe Biden. Day one's a wrap. We gotta go freshen up, hit some dinner, and then maybe hit the slots. Like we said earlier, we're gonna bet the school, worst case. Shout out to everybody that just came out and fucking outdid their booth. Like,
Nah, for real.
that's crazy.
Bro, even we got love out here too, bro.
I know,
We have people
that's
come up to
crazy.
us too. They're like,
That's a blessing.
Yo, that's actually crazy to be like noticed out here in front of all these people.
At
Big name
Complex Con.
people too, bro. Like, there's some crazy people out here. All these streamers and all
I
kinds of
know.
people, bro. Like,
That's hard.
it's crazy. It's crazy.
That's what happens when you're sober in Vegas. You wake up early and you don't know what the fuck to do. Everyone's still asleep.
Walking with God, not walking with the world no more. This life hit different. Hit different.
I mentioned this before, but in a matter of a few days, if there's no more Faded Culture Academy, it's because we sold it for collateral to try to get an exotic car now.
And I'm feeling brand new. Old friend.
Y'all came up yesterday or no?
300.
Streets are calling our name. Day 2, Complex Con.
Here we are.
Big FC 63.
There you go, baby.
They be like, how did I get it like this? All of my life been grinding like this. I've been with God, stay climbing like this. Kid on my pride, I'm shining like this. All the late nights got me running like this. Living on track, got me running like this. Devil be mad, how we coming like this? We keeping God on the top like this.
Y'all told me how to call him cut hair for real. Follow you guys for a minute. But yeah, bro, like, watching you guys, bro, I'm telling you guys, like, me and y'all is crazy, bro. He goes to the barbershop that I go to, that I work at and everything. But I'm like, your guys' content is crazy, bro. I love watching you guys.
Let me cut it like that. Follow my flesh, I'm dead at it done. Give up my best, man, I live for the sun.
What's up, bro? How you doing, man?
I'm a barber in Vegas.
No shit. Hell yeah. But I just wanted to shout y'all out, man. Like, it really is a blessing to come out of a show like this that almost has nothing to do with barbering, and people noticing Faded Culture, noticing the brand, and showing their appreciativeness of actually coming up to us and then thanking us in person. That means a lot, honestly, guys. Like, that's the kind of shit that keeps us going, and that's one of the reasons we even started.
Took every moment to sow on my seeds. I'm not surprised that it took me this long. Imagine the pride that I had as a team. God had to do a good work in my heart, but I knew from the start with the Lord I could do anything. As long as I move like a son of a king. I hop on the beat like I hop in the rain. The beat got me giving the word with the
It's crazy. We're just over here walking around, and then we see a booth with my brother's picture on it. How does it feel? Have your picture on the booth.
Kind of people you're inspiring all over the world.
Over there too?
I'm over there too, right there at mom's house.
The beat got me giving the word with the beat got me giving the word with the lean. Look at my team, look at my guy.
Then I get that pussy, baby, then I beat it up.
Get on my shoulder.
Proud how I'm shining like this. All the late nights got me running like this. Living on track got me running like this. Devil be mad how we coming like this. We keeping God on the top like this. How'd you get like that? God got me like this.
It's like no matter what you do out here in Vegas, it always kicks your ass. Your feet don't hurt?
Fuck yeah.
I need Heelys, I need insoles, camel bags. You just repeated that. You tired, Ruben? How was that marathon burger?
Pretty good.
Fire. Lemonade was fire? Yours, you like it? Burger?
It was actually good.
Marathon burger.
I think we pretty much saw everything, right?
We saw a good amount. Like I said, next time we split up and we run. Y'all don't do meth, right? You said imagine if I
didn't even want to go to sleep here and drink this shit.
Alright, we gotta get out of here.
Yeah, you can snort it, smoke it, shoot it.
What's it called when you put it in your butt? Rocket shit, boof it, whatever it is. We're gonna do it. Alright, we're about to wrap up this video. Any last words? My brother said, what if we pull up next year? I don't know. Something crazy like this. Oh, okay.
A few people like recognize it. That's crazy.
I know, I said that earlier. I was like, man, shout outs to...
Yeah, what's up, man?
What's up, bro? How you doing, man? Speaking of that, it's crazy.
What's up, bro? How you doing, man?
How you guys doing?
Yeah. Hey, thank you, bro. Thank you, man. Yeah, we were just talking about, like, shout outs to the homies that approached us, recognized us. That means a lot.
How'd you get like that? God got me like that.